What's poppin'? What's up? What's poppin'? Hey, what's up, ladies and gents? It's your boy, legendary Leke. Two L's, but we don't take no L's. We only take W's. We're only taking wins, guys. We are only taking W's. Alright, so on this channel, we're only taking wins. We are only taking W's. Simple. Alright, let's get down to business. Today we mean business, bro. No time to joke around. Alright, so let's get down to business. Today we're going to be talking about purpose and how to find your purpose. Alright, so firstly, what is your purpose? Now, your purpose is what God put you on this earth to do, like the things God put you on this earth to accomplish. Now, your purpose can be seasonal, like you can have a purpose for a particular season, like some purposes are seasonal, some purposes are throughout your lifetime. Alright, some purposes you discover them later on in life, some purpose you discover it early in life. So purpose can literally be more than one. Alright, you don't have just one purpose. I don't believe that God just sent you to do one thing on earth. Now I feel like purpose can be 3, 4, 5, 6, as many as you want, man. God gave in the Bible that story of the talents, the 5 talent, the 2 talents, and I guess he did give 1 talent. But I mean, purpose is definitely more than one. Alright, because some people have a purpose for, like, right now, you have to do this right now, and then later on that purpose is finished, so you have another purpose. So I really believe that purpose is not just one. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Can purposes be more than one, or is it just one? Okay, so how do you find your purpose? Well, firstly, you're not supposed to find your purpose. Your purpose is supposed to find you. I know that sounds corny, sounds cheesy, but it's facts. Just be in line with the universe. Communicate with God, like just be in line with the universe, and your purpose will find you. You don't have to look so much. You don't have to put it on a pedestal like you're chasing your purpose. Like, oh my God, what's my purpose? Oh my God, what's your purpose? What's my purpose? What's my purpose? Calm down. I just chill. Your purpose is gonna come to you at the right time. Sometimes you're not supposed to know your purpose yet because you won't even believe that you can achieve something like that. So sometimes your purpose is going to be saved up for later. Like, God is going to tell you your purpose later on in life. So just chill. Chill. Don't put finding your purpose on a pedestal. Don't put anything on a pedestal like you have to find it. You've watched every video on finding your purpose on YouTube. Calm down, alright? Your purpose will find you as long as you live in righteous and you live in line with the universe. Alright, so that's number one. Your purpose should find you. I don't have to work so hard to find your purpose. Just be in line with the universe. Just be grateful. Wake up happy. Wake up grateful. Always thank God. Always thank the universe, and just wait for your purpose to find you. I don't calm down. Don't put so much pressure on yourself. Okay, number 2. How do you find your purpose? You ask God, alright? You have to meditate, pray, fast, whatever you want to do, man. You just have to communicate with God for yourself. Nobody knows your purpose. Nobody knows your purpose, alright? Because we're not you. I cannot tell you what your purpose is because I don't know you, bro. If you're going to ask me like, yo, Leke, what's my purpose? I'm going to tell you that. How should I know? Nobody really knows your purpose. So just ask God. Alright, ask God, ask yourself, bro. Meditate, bro. Meditate, pray, fast, man. All this shit, man. That shit is gonna tell you, it's gonna make you like, it's gonna put you in the spirit realm. So you can just talk to God like, yo, God, what's up? What's my purpose? Just ask God for yourself. Nobody, stop looking out for people like, yo, man, what do you think my purpose is? What do you think my purpose? Yo, what do you think my purpose is? Now, everyone's going to tell you something different because everyone is talking based on their own experiences, guys. That's why even advice, ask God for advice the most. Stop looking out for people to advise you because everyone is going to give you advice based on their knowledge, based on what they have been through. So the best advice is the advice that God gives you. Alright, so if you want to know your purpose, you have to ask God, you have to ask your higher self, because everyone has a higher self. Alright, there's a sixth sense, that intuition, that's something you have to use, bro. Your intuition. So strengthen your intuition, strengthen your knowledge about God, strengthen yourself, like your inner self. Make sure you know yourself. How to find your purpose, you have to know yourself, bro. You have to know what you like, you have to know what you don't like, you have to know yourself. Self knowledge is key, bro. Every day, make sure you spend time with yourself. Make sure you check up on yourself. Stop checking social media more than you check up on yourself. Check up on yourself. Find out, like, yo, am I cool? Am I good? Like, what is up with me, bro? Check up on yourself, bro. You gotta love yourself. You gotta vibe by yourself. You gotta vibe with yourself, man. So, knowing yourself helps you to know, like, yo, this is what I like doing, this is what I don't like doing. Because this is also gonna sound cliche, but to find out your purpose, think about what you're passionate about, like something you can just do for 15 hours straight and you ain't gonna get shit for it. Like nobody's paying you for it, but you can just do it for literally 15 hours. Like you won't even feel tired, like you won't even break a sweat. Like you just do it easily, something you can do easily, something that you like doing, like something that you can just jump up in the middle of the night and then they'll be like, yo, let's go do this, and you'll be like, okay, let's go do that. Something that actually motivates you to get up from bed. What is that thing, bro? Know yourself. Know thyself. Alright? Know thyself. Stop knowing the celebrities, bruh. Stop knowing politics. Stop knowing this election. Like everybody's so glued to their television on the US election, man. Now they're postponing it. They're trying to keep you guys entertained, bro. This thing is entertainment. This thing is just drama. Like y'all really gotta see this from a deep level. I know I'm digressing from the topic, but like let me just speak on politics a little bit. Man, this thing is just to take your energy. Like why are they making this, why are they stretching it out so much? They're trying to entertain you guys, bro. I honestly, I'm not watching the news, bro. Like when they eventually have the result, I'll find out who won. Like I'm not gonna be sitting there watching the whole thing as it goes up and down, like as the numbers goes up and down, bro. Like really, these niggas, this is a show now, bro. This is a series. They need to put, they need to put the U.S. election on Netflix. Because now we're getting different episodes, man. Alright, let's get back to the topic. Alright, so purpose. Knowing yourself, bro. You have to study your natal chart. Alright, natal chart. Some of you might not be familiar with it. Go on Google and search natal chart. What's my natal chart, bro? Study your astrology, study your zodiac sign. All that stuff is going to help you to know yourself better. I'm a Pisces, by the way. My sun is in Pisces. My moon, I think, is Scorpio. I can't remember. But yeah, study your natal chart, bro. Go on Google right now. Search what is my natal chart. Alright, it's going to take you to some websites. Use your intuition to find the right website and put in your date of birth and place of birth, and it's going to tell you like your, what's it? It's going to tell you your natal chart. It's going to tell you like, also study your numerology, like your numbers. Just search numerology, numerology, numerology. Search natal chart. Alright, read about yourself. This stuff is actually facts. Like I usually did not believe in it. Like I didn't believe in all these zodiac signs and stuff. Like, but like I read my natal chart and I was like, whoa, this thing is so on point. Alright, so study your natal chart. Study your zodiac sign, man. Study about yourself. Literally, after watching this video, go on Google and search natal chart. Natal chart. You should know how to spell chart. Study your natal chart, know your zodiac sign, study traits about your zodiac sign, study traits about your natal chart, like your birth chart, your, just search natal chart. Alright, so you'll know more about that. I'll actually do more videos about like zodiac signs, different traits of zodiac signs. But yeah, I'm a Pisces, by the way. So if you're a Pisces, what's up? What's popping? Pisces are, I think, February to March. February what? I think 19. I can't remember the exact date. But yeah, just always refresh yourself. Like, always familiarize yourself with what's going on with the planet, with the sun, the sky. It was a full moon recently. Like, you should have just done some manifestation with the full moon. Like, all this stuff in this universe is here to help us. There's nothing demonic about like knowing your natal chart. There's nothing demonic about astrology or numerology. It's just to know more stuff. Like, knowledge is king, knowledge is key. You have to know more to be more. Alright, so all this stuff I'm saying on this video, bro, I had to learn them. I had to also dig deep within. I had to meditate and get all this knowledge. Like, I don't write notes when I make a video. I just go off the top of my head. So like, anyone can do this. You just have to put the work in. Alright, put the work into yourself. Like, know your natal chart. I'm serious, guys. Like, go study your natal chart. That thing is so spot on. Like, it made me realize some things I need to work on about myself, because us Pisces, we are very loving, and it could tend to be a walkover. Like, people tend to walk over us. That actually taught me, like, yo, I have to be more assertive. So you just have to, it's just gonna tell you like traits about you, and you use that to know like what you should correct, what you should amp, what you should like raise. Like, us Pisces, we are very creative. So now I know I'm creative. So I actually use that to my advantage. Alright, numerology, astrology, all that thing, use it to help you. Alright, if you're saying something negative, just reject it. Like, it says we are Pisces are walkovers. Like, people like to walk over us. I rejected that shit. I'm like, nah, I'm assertive. I do what I want to do. So yeah, just study your natal chart, study your astrology, and know more about yourself. Number one, I said, don't put it on a pedestal. Like, let your purpose find you. Just be righteous. Live righteous, live in line with the universe, and your purpose will find you. Number two, I said, ask God. All right, go with the intention when you pray, when you meditate. Like, God, what's up? What's my purpose? Nah, don't say what's up. All that. Now, you gotta respect God, man. Get on your knees and pray to God. Like, yo, God, what's my purpose? You know, man, I'm trying to serve you, man. What should I do? All right, so number two, ask God. Number three, know thyself, bro. Know yourself. You gotta know what you like, what you don't like. You gotta know what gives you a kick, what turns you on, bro. If your job does not turn you on, then that's not your passion, man. If banking turns you on, like, you just see receipts and you get turned on, like, then banking is your passion, man. Whatever turns you on, like making videos, that's my passion, man. I like making videos. I've been making videos since I was in grade 12. That's around 2015, but I make different types of videos. Like, now I'm consistent with it though, and now is to help people and to spread knowledge and to spread information, because I have so much information. I'm just trying to spread it out. All right, so number three, I said know yourself. Number four, read your natal chart. I know your zodiac sign, know all of that shit. Study astrology, study numerology, and just use it for your advantage. Alright, there's nothing demonic about it. I'm gonna say it again, bro. There's nothing demonic, so just calm down and just go read your natal charts. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this to somebody that's trying to find their passion, and tell them to just calm down. Alright, calm down. Your passion is gonna find you. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you send me an email if you have a question, or you want me to speak on something you're going through, or you want some advice. You know, I'm smart as hell, so let me know. Email me, link in this description box below. And yeah, thank you for watching. Peace. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a beautiful day, and if you're watching this at night, go to sleep.